My Kids Corporation presents Life on Other Planets. AI in Astrobiology, a New Frontier. Astrobiology, the study of the origin, evolution, distribution, and future of life in the universe, is a field ripe for the application of artificial intelligence, AI. Here are some key ways AI is being used to advance this fascinating discipline. 1. Data analysis and pattern recognition. Exoplanet detection. AI algorithms are being used to analyze vast amounts of data from telescopes, identifying potential exoplanets and characterizing their atmospheres. Biosignature detection. AI can be trained to recognize potential biosignatures in spectral data from distant planets, helping to identify worlds that may harbor life. Microbial image analysis. AI is used to analyze microscopic images of extraterrestrial samples, helping to identify potential microbial life forms. 2. Modeling and simulation. Astrobiological modeling. AI can be used to create complex models of planetary environments, including climate, geology, and atmospheric chemistry, to simulate the potential for life. Molecular evolution. AI is being used to model the evolution of biomolecules under different environmental conditions, helping to understand the potential for life on other worlds. 3. Robotics and exploration. Autonomous exploration. AI is being developed to control robotic explorers on other planets, allowing them to make decisions and adapt to changing conditions. Sample analysis. AI-powered instruments can analyze samples collected by rovers, identifying potential biosignatures and other scientifically interesting materials. Enjoying this video? Don't forget to click like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. And finally, challenges and future directions. While AI offers immense potential for astrobiology, there are challenges to overcome, such as the development of robust AI algorithms that can handle noisy and incomplete data. Additionally, there is a need for increased collaboration between astrobiologists, computer scientists, and engineers to fully harness the power of AI. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in astrobiology, bringing us closer to answering the fundamental question: are we alone in the universe? We hope this video has sparked your interest and gotten you to think about ways in which you can use AI. Keep exploring. Visit mykidscorporation.com, where the fun never ends.